Alright, we're about to go on our sunset tour. We took the cable car down. Only took like 2 minutes. You can either get on a donkey or walk by foot down all those stairs. The cable car was €6 per person. It's only one way. Donkeys is the same. I think it just takes like 20 minutes or so, 15-20 minutes. Beginning of September, it was still really, really hot. It's probably 90 or 96 degrees. Maybe even 100, who knows. So we're gonna get on one of those catamarans, and it takes us to the volcano that you can climb, and then after that there's some hot springs, and then you come back. I think the whole tour is either 2 or 3 hours. The volcano is over there in the middle, and you can walk the crater. Water's a bit choppy. There's a better view of the caldera when we were coming down on the cable cars. Again, Sachin's chilling.